Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gyroscope in CODM. First, open your game and head to the Settings menu, which you can find on the main screen. Once there, tap on the Basic tab. Scroll down a bit until you see the Gyroscope option. Simply toggle it on. You will then be prompted to select a mode, Scope Only or Always On. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Let's dive into the two main gyroscope modes. Scope Only means the gyroscope activates solely when you aim down your weapon sights, offering a controlled introduction to the feature. This is often ideal for new users. On the other hand, Always On keeps the gyroscope active constantly, influencing all aiming and even some movement. This mode provides the highest level of precision and responsiveness, favored by many seasoned players for its fine-tuning capabilities. Now let's talk about fine-tuning your gyroscope experience. Head back into your game settings and this time, navigate to the Sensitivity tab. Here, you'll find a dedicated gyroscope sensitivity section. You can adjust individual sliders for various scopes like 1x, 2x, and 4x, as well as for third-person and first-person perspectives. A good starting point is often a lower sensitivity, gradually increasing it as you become more comfortable and precise with your movements. The key to mastering gyroscope is consistent practice. Spend some time in the training ground to get a feel for the new controls and how your device movements translate in-game. Gyroscope excels at making tiny, precise micro-adjustments to your aim, which can significantly improve your accuracy in firefights. It also helps reduce thumb strain by letting your device do some of the work. With dedicated practice, you'll notice a substantial improvement in your overall gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.